this is Pavithra here. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is vocabulary building. It is nothing but word formation. Prefix, suffix and one word substitution are the topic which all comes under and this word formation. Okay, we'll move on to the slide. Actually, in this slide we have the topic of vocabulary. Actually, learning vocabulary will help us to improve our language level, which is communication and communicative in English confidently and effectively. If you are learning many vocabulary means we will be confident about it, which is nothing but we can communicate effectively and confidently. This is the thing which is which comes by the vocabulary learning. Actually, there are n number of vocabularies are there in English, not only in English, in every languages, but we are focusing on English. Okay, so in the next line, from the root word itself we can make many new words, right? Many English words are formed by taking basic words in the sense root word, and adding combinations of prefixes and suffixes to them. Prefixes and suffixes in the sense we are adding some letters to the root word and we make a new word, right? So that is what the new words. And a basic word to which affixes in the sense prefix and suffixes are combined together, not combined together, or together called as affixes. So which are added is called a root word because it forms the basis of a new word. Okay, we are adding some prefixes and suffixes to the root word so that we can make a new word, right? So that is what. And the root word is also a word in its own right, and the root word itself has meaning and it can stand alone. And also if we are adding any prefixes or suffixes means that also gives us a complete sense. So that is what the thing here. And okay, now we are moving to the next slide, which is nothing but what is a prefix and suffix. Okay, before we are getting into the topic, we should know what is prefix and suffix. A prefix is a string of letters that go at the start of a word. Okay, prefixes are the words which are added in the beginning of a root word. Okay, and affix is a suffix is a string of letters. It can be 2 letters or 3 letters or etc. So which are added at the end of a root word. Okay, that is what suffix is. And by adding prefixes and suffixes to a root word we can change its meaning. For example, if slow is a root word, okay, obviously we know what is the meaning of slow. So if you are adding ly at the end of the word slow, it becomes slowly. Okay, so that is what the suffix is. Okay, here affixes, both suffixes and affixes together called as affixes. Already I have told right in the beginning. So that is what. And affix is a set of letters generally added to the beginning or end of a root word to modify its meaning. This is also we have discussed in the previous slide. It seems the root is the portion of the word that remains when all prefixes and suffixes have been removed. The root is the portions of the word that remains when all the prefixes and suffixes have been removed. In the sense, even if we are removing the suffix or prefix, the root word can stand alone in its own way. That is what the thing we have explicited here. And then typically they can stand alone. That is what I am saying here. And in the word untouchable, touch is the root. Right here we have prefix. In this word we have prefix and suffix, both we have. For example, untouchable, here un is a prefix, able is a suffix, in between the word touch is a word. root word. So we can add, we have added prefix and suffix in the one root word. Okay. 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 This is all about the introduction part of word formation, as nothing but prefix and suffix combined together, affixes. And in the next video we can see the detailed version of this topic. Thank you.